Welcome, guys, to another episode on Lilian's Couch. On today's episode, I have Nollywood actress, CEO OCB Skin, Beverly Osu.
That's right.
Beverly, what's OCB mean?
Obsessive compulsive Beverly. Psh, psh.
Why are you weird? Why?
But it is obsessive compulsive Beverly.
Baby, welcome to my couch.
Yeah.
Okay, let's take a shot to that.
Okay.
Let's take a shot. What are we choosing to?
Long life, more money.
Into OCB Skin, actually.
OCB Skin and everything nice.
Yes, cheers. So I'm just gonna get right into it, right?
Mhm.
I was doing the research. I mean, I know you, I've known you, but sometimes I feel like when I'm bringing people to my couch, I try to do more research to know things I obviously never knew. And I saw something when you said you wanted to be a reverend sister. I don't understand.
Yeah, doesn't act like a reverend sister.
Huh?
Can you uncle for my hand?
When I see you, I see sex.
Oh my
I don't see
God.
anything that has to
Oh
do-
wow.
Yeah. Baby, so please explain this to me. Because I was shocked. I was laughing literally all day.
So I was meant to be a reverend sister, Lilian.
Okay. Then what happened?
And they gave me a letter and said I should just continue God's work somewhere else. So I'm doing God's work in the
Who gave you a
entertainment
letter?
sisters.
They say you can't go. Your uniform was short.
No, my uniform bad though. I dey give them.
Knee length.
Knee net, yes.
But you did twerk.
I don't see then I never used to do all those things. I was just very calm and just, I was in the band, gospel music and everything, Literally, but I don't know if I do them. They say we can continue God's work somewhere else. So yeah. But still I'm still doing God's work now.
Beverly, you have been in the industry now for quite some time. From video vixen. I mean, guess what? Yeah, it's funny. During those video vixen days, now you bad oh.
Body.
As in, when you come, you get one video you come, you stand like this for back. Now what will be your backdrop? I was like, who is this girl? Who will be this?
Hater.
And you come to your eye. Who is this girl? You're busy. Who is this? And okay, you've been there, and then obviously you transitioned into acting in Nollywood and reality, every other thing. How has it been? Has it always been this good to you? Because I feel like now you're thriving. You're in the big movies. Everybody's like, oh, Beverly, but has it always been this good?
I mean, Lydia, you know me. I think I'm never satisfied, or I never give myself the props to say, yes, I'm doing it. I'm just sailing, like I just do me regardless. In every segment I've been in, be it the modeling, the video vixen, the acting, it has been good. To the capacity that my brain knew, it has been good. I'm not going to even contradict it that I'm not blessed. I am blessed because anything I put my hand in is a success.
Yeah.
So far, so good. I'm very needy and I feel like I've not even started yet. I don't know when I'll feel like, I don't do them.
Yeah, you've arrived.
Yeah, I don't know when I'll say, I arrive. But I don't know. I pray God gives me that contentment in my heart. But for now, I'm just like, yeah, we have a long way to go to. But I'm grateful so far for the trajectory and the sweet journey because I've seen people come and go. I've seen people blow and the next 2 years they are not even in the news. I've seen people that in the next 1 month they don't have jobs. But so far for the past 13 years, I've been striving.
And I'm not even saying this because you're on my couch. I always tell you behind cameras, and I think it's only fair that when we praise people behind closed doors, you also tell them, obviously, when you see them. Yeah. You're doing amazingly well, Beverly. You are, as in, I'm proud.
Tell me.
We fight a lot, guys. Forget this. We're trying to be cordial. We fight. I don't think I fight anyone in this industry the way I fight with Beverly.
Lilian is so annoying. It's
so annoying.
Lilian is so annoying.
But still, it's all love. And that's the beauty. I think underneath it all is all love. The fact that you can fight with someone 1 minute and the next minute, like, where you did?
Yeah, but you don't say no be our heart to take fight. Now just you guys give me at where I give you back.
I saw I went to one event one day. I saw Beverly and I was just eyeing her. And she's looking at me. Like, the way people eye people in secondary school.
If they don't say with the beef. So what's wrong with you and Leon?
I'm not talking. I'm talking to her. She's very annoying. I can't stand her. She's just, I don't know what she feels, who she thinks she is. Who is she? I was like, but anyways, I'm just happy for how far we've come. Guess what? Beverly was one person that would call me. This girl send me, what are you posting online? Do you need it? Do you need all those things? Why are you behaving like that? Why are you trying to be fake? Bev, this girl open her mouth, tell me. Why am I trying to be fake, Beverly?
Because I love you and I see so much.
Shut up your mouth. Oh my God, what? On camera. Oh my God. I'm actually glad for how far we've come. And there's a time I know I was going through a phase, and I mean I called you, when I was actually coming out of it a bit, and we kept talking and everything, and you're like, oh, are you okay? Do you ever get to that point where you're tired? Like, that depression phase? Because I know people don't like to talk about it. But do you ever get there? And if you do, how do you actually come out from it?
Okay. I go through depression. I feel like for us creatives, depression, anxiety is inevitable. Yeah. And I'm not one person to shy away from, I'm not feeling too good mentally. If I'm not okay, I'm not okay. I feel like even the world would just know. Maybe for my Insta stories, I'll start giving quotes. But at the end of the day, I just know that I've come so far, right? I've come so far and I know what is in me and what I can do and my maker. Like, I just feel like God has put so much in me for me to be on my bed, under my AC. Just understand this. Under my AC, watching any show I want, depressed. Do you understand? I'm depressed, but I'm above the average Nigerian. So depression will be like malaria now. Yeah. When you depressed, when you wake up,
we move. Yeah.
So that's it for me. And I just feel like I'm in control of myself. So even if I'm depressed, I have to search and say, why am I feeling this way at this certain time? What triggered it? Do you understand? Then after that, I have to wake up, because if you're depressed for 1 week, money not going to enter your account. You wake up and say, my resources, God has given me the ability to make money anyway. Lilian, we're blessed. Like, if tomorrow now a tsunami hits the whole world, we have the resources to make money in us. Do you know what that means?
Yeah.
That's a lot. And that's a lot to be grateful for. So even if we're in the desert, entertainment, we'll still give them entertainment. We'll still get paid for it.
Yes.
So, depression comes and goes. No family, friends, relationship. But at the end of the day, it is what it is. You have to wake up and move on.
I think for me, going through it, almost losing my life at some point or whatever, I just got to realize that, it's not, people even, depression doesn't even have anything to do with money. I think the most time I was more depressed, I had money, I was okay. So that's why now people don't understand how content I am.
Yeah.
I'm so content with my life that even if I don't have money,
I'm so happy where you are.
Okay. Beverly, before, I never used to understand what contentment means until now.
Yeah.
I'm so content. Like, I genuinely am not looking at what anyone has. I'm just okay. I'm happy. As much as I can eat. The only one where I go answer God, maybe I go racket. If I don't feel afford food.
Catch our body, no way.
I go say, God, appear now to Nigeria.
How can you not give me food to eat? My lamb steaks and everything.
Yeah, that one. God, yeah, I know you might hear that one. So, every other thing, I feel like, I'll go through it. Or recently, I've been having a lot of anxiety.
That's because you're doing a
panic
lot.
attack. Like,
yes.
Once my alarm beeps, I don't want to open my eyes. This morning, no. I'm like,
but that's because you have things to do.
Yeah, but then I've been praying because now it's just like I can't shower badly now. I was just joking about it, and now people are just like, you've not dropped a story. I'm like, guys.
Remember when I told you that something will click? And when it clicks, you yourself, you're not going to know it's in click. You just be like, okay, this is it now. Because you were searching. In your depression, so you were searching, what will Lilian do? Oh, this acting. Oh, I produce film. I produce this. Like joke.
I really
yes, just by you being you.
Oh, yeah.
Originality, key.
Yeah. I mean, I'm happy.
I know you're happy.
Think now I'm closer to God.
Yeah.
I feel so happy. I feel so fulfilled. I don't stress anymore. Like yesterday, in fact, my guest list was shaking. As I was going on set, I was crying, kabashing to God. I said, fix it. Fix it. I'm not going to cancel this shoot. I'm not going to, and then it just happened. And I'm just like, so it will eventually just be okay.
Yes.
So yeah, I think
I said, don't worry about it. If it's not going to matter in 5 years, don't worry. Don't spend 5 minutes worrying about it.
A motivational speaker I stand. Oh, see biscuit. Anyways, but do you think For me, I feel like I feel like me go explore your talent past very soon. My own
Amen
thing what I
and
need to,
amen.
because I don't think these producers are enjoying. I don't think. Do you think that you're being stereotyped in the industry?
I mean, I feel like the stereotype thingy, I think 2 years ago, I think I broke that.
Okay.
And I had to starve myself to break
Wow.
that. In the sense that you call me for the jobs that I know that you want me to be a fine girl, somebody's girlfriend, somebody this. I know do.
I'm there now.
You call me, say you want me to kiss, I'm not doing it. And it's way beyond the money or anything. It's not as if, oh, I'm balling, so I don't need your money. Because it's creativity. I want to be in as little as, even if you're giving me a stipend, I will want to be in it if I know that this is going to take my career to the next level or push me beyond my limits or what I see myself doing. So being there, done that, it gets boring. Do you understand? So, and again, you know me, I'm not about plenty.
Yeah.
I just want to do one thing and kill it. One thing and kill it. So I think I broke that, and I'm still trying to break more so that I can get to where I want to go to. Because if I keep packing all these things and say, oh, it's portfolio. Portfolio of the same thing
It's boring.
It's boring.
Yeah, it's
So far so good. I feel like the world is ready for me now.
I think so too.
And I can't wait to explore myself to the highest, you know. And acting is my happy place. I don't know. I love acting. I love it. Like, it's my home away from home. So
I think I'm actually where you are, where you were 2 years ago now, because I mean, obviously I took a break from the industry to find stability in terms of financial, whatever. And then now I'm back, right? And I noticed people want to keep giving me these roles of, oh, fine girl, big ass, short skirt. And I'm like, I can't keep doing that. I'm way beyond that. And then I feel like there's so much more I have. And then now, if you're not going to put me on the table, I'm going to create my own table. I'm going to produce my own movies, and I'm going to do those things. So that's why, I'm definitely out right now. So, but anyway, what's your dream role in a movie?
I want to be a Bond girl. But I really want something very active. I like active movies.
Like action, yeah?
Action. Police, thief, police, spy.
Yeah.
But just let me jump fences. Let me,
Can you jump fences?
But you know me now.
my yash no go allow me jump fence. He go just move. I go just fall. If doesn't make I even land, when he land, the yash go hang for it. I want to go feel laugh. Okay, so now, guys, we're about to go into the Akanchawa Body segment. This is not my favorite part for this. All this English where they speak, my producer, they look me, don't speak pidgin. I can speak pidgin. I've been Nigerian. Beverly Osu, what will be your most embarrassing moment for your life? Moment. So you see the way I talk, my own say I shit for road. Your Akanchawa story has to break ground.
You know, say first thing with me, be say you cannot shame the shameless. So
I don't know.
This is where people go find embarrassing. Maybe I just it is happen. Say, hey,
you don't shit for road before?
No, I haven't.
Oh my god, am I the only one to shout shit in the road?
Yeah.
Okay.
What would be my most?
The story has to choke. And you have to say it in pidgin. You can't say it in English.
Okay, but then and I went and they try reason because I don't get so many experiences, but I don't go think am as if say it embarrass me where I carry shame cover
okay,
my
the one
face.
you say if people hear they go to them, they embarrassing. Talk. You must get one. So you never shit for road. You know they go road trip.
No, I have phobia for it. I don't do road trips.
Okay, give us your message. Give us.
One time like that when I do modeling, I mean still modeling, they give me big shoe, make I wear. And this thing na for renter for my teenage years. They give me one big shoe, but as a modeling body, I say I go give them. I go rock this thing. That time, the people will come the show, top notch. I say, oh, I'm coming out nicely. I think I just waka.
Wrong way,
my darling. That's why I just fall, shoe. Back around, the shoe bend first because the shoe said will be my size.
You fall for the wrong way?
Yes, now.
Like you fall flat?
Before, I don't fall halfway. As I fall, I just stand up like this.
You continue to walk?
I just come out the shoe, finish the waka.
You finish the waka with your bare leg.
What I want to do? The shoe big. I know be saying
You hold the shoe for waka.
yes, now no be saying pointy shoe na sandal. So if sandal do anyhow, first of all, the first rope tangle with the other one, everything just day one kind. I just waka the waka like that. Say they no go pay me my complete money, but I waka the waka.
Baby, just say you know get a catch us.
I don't get because like nothing way if you do we go shame me. Now be when car don't stop
you
for
don't
road.
you don't they you can't miss.
Apparently they call that the fat and it's acceptable.
So you can't
Sexually, girl is acceptable.
so you
No.
okay, you don't
It depends on where the fat is coming out from.
where fat they come out from? I don't know.
There are two places, Lilian.
What do you mean?
Sexual studies.
Let's go into the food segment. I will be right back. I know.
I swear to the happiness.
So guys, today's meal is sponsored by Sea Lagos in Lekki Phase 1. You should check them out. The food is amazing. Have you eaten from these people before? Mm-hmm. You have? Mm-hmm. Really? When did you come there? And you didn't take me?
Customer service.
You rich. Oh my God, they put my bread. Baby, this bread is so nice. Yes, they put pepper sauce. Oh my God, let me open this bread first. Let me just bite the bread.
Yeah,
Can't even be trustful. Very soft. This is very soft. It melts so good. Oh God, it melts so good. Oh, did you know we're plating?
Okay.
Well, I'm going to run into this. Oh my God, I'm supposed to be classy. Baby, why did you take my own? Okay, you are jollof rice. That was one. I want to use this one. Let me bring out the lamb chops first. This lamb chop is so good. Like Bev, it's so good. Bev, did you cook for your man?
No.
Why? What do you mean no?
Because there's a chef that can do that.
Oh my God! Baby, you don't put pepper. You don't want pepper.
I want pepper, but
put pepper on it now so that everything will,
But first things first, it's the juicy.
No, it's very juicy.
Juicy.
The people, they know.
Put pepper for me.
Why would I put pepper for you? I'm not your boyfriend.
I didn't hear the last of this. But it's okay. Lilian, please, Joe. Aha.
That's nice.
Oh my God.
Guys are big. I'm gonna just drop. I'll come back. I'll see you guys. Guys, welcome back. We're back from eating. And yes, Beverly, are you single or are you dating?
If we're feeling this in the visa office, I'm single.
Are you in a relationship currently or are you not in a relationship? That's a simple question. Yes or no?
Yeah, I'm in a relationship.
You want to be single for Lagos? I don't get boyfriend. Baby, I don't get boyfriend.
Why? You're so hot. I mean, I was single for like a long time.
I've been single for a minute now, though.
Like I was single for like a year and 8 months. But I love love.
I know you love love.
And this is my long. Like I've been single for like a year and some months, close to 2 years. And this person just came and started ticking the right boxes. So let's see how it goes.
Baby, don't want to leave me for trenches.
Because baby say, no, tomorrow I'll go cry. Now you will still want me.
Don't send you breakfast. They don't take time.
No, they never started to send me breakfast.
So you said the honeymoon phase?
Yes. Now why I say make me not calm down?
Okay.
Say honeymoon phase is sweet. But let's see if it's gonna be like this for like 6 months.
Okay,
so that's half quarter.
But wait, what do you think about marriage? What's your take on marriage?
I know now. I love marriage. Like, I love the union. I love the idea between God and man. I do love it. God's principles, man principle with the whole marriage stuff. I love it. Because at the end of the day, nobody wants to be 70 and alone. Drake said that, actually.
Yeah.
But this life is about companionship, friendship, family, relationship. And it's really key. It's two people against life. It's not... Do you get me? Like, life is already a lot. We're going through the most. But you need that person beside. That's why Jello married like 10 billion times. Because she's going through a lot. She's working so hard. And you're a man and you want to cramp her style, she will cry for a moment, but she needs to move on and find another person that will be with her. Because it's for your mental health, you do need companionship. Nobody's an island. No matter how us, we do independent chicks say, I'm a bad... My guy, you need companionship.
Yeah, I agree.
Everybody does. And the only time we say, oh, men are scum, women are scums, is because two people's mindset did not merge. Like, I'm not saying that I never chop breakfast where it depressed me. Like, but no matter how bad my heart is broken, my guy, I will
love again.
I will love again.
I will rise again.
Over and over again. Like, if nigga breaks my heart now,
I'll give myself the next nigga.
I swear, I'll give myself some time and then go back into it. Because, like, love is so beautiful. Do you know what it means waking up in the morning and thinking about somebody? It's amazing. Other than your mother and your daddy and your brothers and your friends.
I've not experienced it in a long time.
But darling, love is amazing. And I didn't experience it in a long time. So that's why I literally... I'm open and letting this man
do.
Yeah.
Guys, I love love.
I love love.
I know I'm single now. As my friend has left me in the trenches, I just want to say, my time shall come. I shall rise again. I can tell my body's coming with a man.
That's why man and woman situation, they're always talking about it. It's like the key factor of life, companionship. No matter how you do it, it's a topic that has so many branches and it's inevitable for conversation. So, yeah.
Beverly, thank you so much for coming on my show,
Thank you for
couch.
having
I know
me.
it wasn't easy because you had to squeeze me into your schedule because of shoots and everything. But I really, really, really do appreciate you.
Thank you.
I love you so much.
And I'm proud of you. Mwah! Mwah! Hi!
Okay, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, drop a comment. And yes, we're open to constructive criticism.
If not, we'll
Only.
beat you.
Thank you all. I love you so much. Stay tuned to Lilian's Couch. Mwah.